Very good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today, I am going to explain exercise 8.1, sixth problem and seventh problem. Listen with careful. I am going to read the sixth problem. Sixth problem: if angle A and angle B are acute angles, such that cos A equals to cos B, then show that angle A equals to angle B. Here given that solution given that A and B are acute angles. And one more condition such that cos A equals to cos B. A and B are acute angle means we have to draw the right angle triangle, that is angle ACB. A and B are acute angles. That's why here A and B angle C is the 90 degrees. Cos B equals to cos B they are given. From this one we have to find out cos A definition. What is the definition of cos A? A it is there. That means side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to angle A means what is the side? Angle A adjacent side is AC. AC by hypotenuse means AB. That is AB how it is 90 degrees, opposite side is called hypotenuse. AC by AB. Here side adjacent to angle B. Side this is the now they are going to take cos B. Cos B means B opposite. Now side adjacent to angle B. Side adjacent to angle B means BC by hypotenuse. BC by AB. Hypotenuse means AB. Therefore BC by AB. BC by AB. In these two we are going to cancel that. AB get cancelled. AC equals to BC, AC equals to BC. AC opposite angle. What is AC opposite? This is the AC side opposite angle. What is it? Angle B. And next BC opposite side. What is the BC opposite side? This is the BC opposite angle is A. AC side opposite angle is B. And BC side opposite angle is A. Therefore angle B equals to angle A. Then anyhow we have to prove that. Therefore angle A equals to angle B. Hence it is proved. Equal angles. Opposite sides are equal. Equal angles means A equals to B, that means A angle A opposite side is BC, angle B opposite side is AC. Therefore, this is the first problem solution. It's very easy sum. When we come to the seventh one, if cot theta equals to 7 by 8, calculate number 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. And second one it is cot square theta. So here in this now, given that cot theta equals to 7 by 8. So here 7 by 8. So we have to draw the right angle triangle. Theta they are given. The first problem what they are given? Cos A, cos B like that. A and B are the angles they are given. Here when we are coming to the seventh problem, theta they are given. Cot theta. That's why that angle A equals to theta. So we have to draw the right angle triangle. Angle A equals to, that's why we have to take that one, angle A equals to theta. Theta A is the theta A and it is the B and it is the C. ABC is the right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degrees, angle A is the theta. Cot theta definition we have to write. Sir, what is the cot theta equal to 7 by 8? They are given 7 by 8. And cot theta definition, theta, side adjacent to theta, here it is the theta. Side adjacent to theta means AB. So next the side opposite to theta. Side opposite to theta means BC. Therefore AB by BC. Here AB value how much it is now? 7. BC value how much it is now? 8. 7 and 8. In the right angle triangle we are having the two sides. Then we don't have any third side. That's why we have to find the third side, that is a hypotenuse. So by right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle we are going to find out the AC also. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to AB means 7, BC means 8. 7 square plus 8 square. 7 square means 49 plus 8 square means 64. 49 plus 64 means 130. Therefore, AC equals to square root of 130. That is hypotenuse value. In the first problem, sin it is required and cos also required. Sin theta. What is the ratio definition now? Side opposite to theta. Here theta is given. Side opposite to theta. What is the side opposite to theta? It is here. Side opposite to theta means this. Next, hypotenuse means AC. BC by AC. BC value how much it is? 8. Hypotenuse value it is given here. It is that. So square root of 113. Square root of, that is the sin theta value 8 by square root of 113. When we are coming to the cos theta, side adjacent to theta definition, that is theta it is here. Side adjacent to theta means theta side adjacent, what is that? AB. AB equal to how much it is? 7. And hypotenuse means this is AC equal to square root of 113. These two values we are going to substitute in the first one. What is the first one here now? First one 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. This is the first one. A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B formula A square minus B square. A square minus B square. But remember denominator also same like that only. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. So here it is the A square. 1 square means what? 1 square only. Sin square theta. Sin theta value is given here is. Sin theta value just we got it. 8 by square root of 113. 8 by square root of 113 by 1 square means 1 only. Cos square theta is here. Cos theta value 7 by square root of 113. Square root of 113 whole square. 1 minus 8 square means 64. Square root of 113 whole square means square root will cancel 113. In the denominator part also 1 minus 7 square means 49. Square root of 113 whole square root will cancel 113. 113 minus 64 means by 113. 113 minus 49 by 113. In the denominator part, both numerator and denominator parts will cancel. 113 and 113 cancel. 113 minus 64 means 49. 113 minus 49 is 64. Therefore, the first value 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equal 49 by 64. This is the first one answer. When we come to the second one, cot square theta. What is the definition of the ratio cot? So, cot theta definition, what is it? Cot theta we are going to write it. Now, the cot we can write in the form of cos by sin also. Tan we can write in the form of sin by cos. Cot theta, cos by sin. Cos by sin means cos theta values we have. Cos and sin values are here. This cos and sin value. Cos value 7 by square root of 113 and sin value 8 by square root of 113. So, square root of 113, square root of 113 get cancelled. Both from numerator and denominator get cancelled. By which they are equal. That is 7 by 8 whole square. 7 square means 49. 8 square means 64. 49 by 64. Therefore, cot square theta equals to also 49 by 64. This is the second one solution. These are the two sums. The homework will be given in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.